Bro.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are taking a look at the Oracle of E, a 52 card deck and guidebook to manifest your dreams by Pam, Grout, and Colette Baron-Reid. So this is published by Hay House and retails for $21.99. I'm kind of excited about it. I know not a lot of people either like this or use it that much anymore since it is an older deck. However, I'm excited because it's new to me. So, what if Spirit, God, Quantum Fred, the Dude, or whatever name you choose to call the big intelligence that breathes life throughout the cosmos could talk to you? Wouldn't you just love knowing that this almighty energy force can offer quick advice every time you need it? Introducing the Oracle of E, the magical oracle card deck cooked up by Pam Grout, the #1 New York Times bestselling author of E Squared and E Cubed, and internationally renowned intuitive Colette Baron-Reid, author of Wisdom of the Oracle Divination Cards. Tried and true, uncanny, humorous, and always accurate, this 52 card deck with accompanying guidebook delivers snappy, sassy answers that will not only show you how to create your own reality, but will keep you on track while doing it like a universal GPS. So I will link down in the description box below where you can purchase this. I am not sponsored or affiliated. I just want you guys to find what you're looking for. All right, let's crack it open. Okay. And here is the guidebook. Let's just take a look real fast. We already know what this is about. But let's see, we've got introduction, how to work with it, and then each of the cards' messages. All right. This oracle will not only show you how to create your own reality, but will also keep you on track while doing it. Okay. The Oracle deck is simple. Choose one card or two if you want to know where you are now and where you need to go. 3 cards will provide the bigger story. All right, this Oracle system is meant to be provocative and fun and will never steer you wrong. The only thing it doesn't answer is a yes or no question. All cards should be read upright. That is, there is no reverse card message. Awesome. Okay, and then it gives you some examples. All righty, and then there you go, your cards. All right, let's get into it. Boom. The back, it is glossy. Oof. Not that that's a bad thing, but for me, I just don't really like it since I film, and so you can see the ring light and fingerprints and all that stuff. All right, then real fast, let's talk about the cardstock. It's not terrible. It's not super thick. It's not super thin. I don't know. It feels a little inexpensive, if you know what I mean. But it's not terrible. I don't mind it. The coating of the gloss will definitely hold up the cardstock a lot more. All right, here we go. Okay, so basically we just have a number, a little blurb, a little message, a little title, and then some fun neon colors. I can see why you guys haven't really requested this one. Not that it's bad, but it's just, it seems very basic, and that's not a bad thing at all. There's just not very much art going on. This one should probably be more about like the message in the guidebook, which I'm excited to dive into that. Sometimes a deck like this where it just says a word is better than like an intense deck. Sometimes you just need an answer, like a straightforward answer. And I feel like this is the deck that might give it to you. Hotline. Sorry, just got that song stuck in my head with the Hotline Bling song. Yeah, I'm sorry. I apologize. This is really pretty, though. Hey, I'm trying to get your attention. You. Yes, you. Cute. I mean, it is very simple. It's very simple. It's very basic. But I feel like this is definitely something that everyone can use so far. Let's wait until we look at some of the messaging in the guidebook. The do divides. I love that. It's fun. Oh, man. Smooth and easy. All right, I like the sound of that. Oh. This is the card that I would definitely pull every day. My sailor mouth, as they say. There's a lot of really cool messaging. A lot of repeating imagery. That's cute. I am very curious to see what the meanings have to say. Hairball. Oh my goodness. That's always good to see. And now that song is in my head. You're welcome. All right, I am now realizing I associate a lot of phrases and words with songs. I mean... Are you with me? Okay, let's see how this shuffles. They are flexible, they snap back. They aren't really sticking to each other too much. Okay, so I don't hate the shuffle. It works. All right, let's read for Nasty Knot. All right. Okay, number 47. Despite how it looks, you can now slip easily out of your current ensnarement. It only looks like quicksand. In reality, getting free is a piece of angel food cake. Leave the drama behind. Yum. Okay, I mean, all right, here are my thoughts. Is it simple? Absolutely. But sometimes simple is like a breath of fresh air, especially to someone starting out, a beginner. Sometimes simple is just refreshing. And you know what? A card pull a day for this? Absolutely. Yes. Love it. As a confirmation? Yes. Love it. Could you use it alongside tarot? Absolutely. Could you use it for a meditation? Yeah. Let's meditate on the fact that, yeah, like we can get out of a situation. How do we get out of our situation? What steps do we need to take, etc., etc. I definitely think that it's one of those, if you need a direct answer, this is the deck that you want to use. You know what I mean? Like something that gives it to you straight, gives it to you direct. I like the sassiness. I like that I can associate some of the words and the verbiage as songs or as there's things that come across in my mind that remind me of it. So that I like. It shuffles great. I really don't have any other complaints other than the cardstock is a little iffy, but I feel like it's very Hay House on brand cardstock. It's a little bit better than the newer Colette Baron-Reid releases, just because it's not, I don't feel it as thin as those, and it's got that glossy coating to help strengthen it a little bit more. Let me know what you think. I know this has been out for quite some time, so let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section, because I know some of you were not excited when I put this up as an option for one of our lives. So let me know what you think. I don't hate it. I think it's kind of fun. I think it's one of those decks that anybody can use and get value out of it. So yeah, I mean, it's different, it's simple, it's basic, but sometimes that's refreshing. So let me know what you think down in the comment section. I'm always enjoying your comments and your thoughts. And with that being said, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I enjoy each and every one of you and appreciate you immensely. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.